Hi guys, welcome to question FM064 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. So this question reads, a dot plot for a set of data is shown below. There's our dot plot. Which one of the following box plots would best represent the data? Now, the first thing to notice about the answers that have been given to us is that the only real difference between them is the number of outliers that have been given to us. So apart from that, all the other information we've been given is fairly similar. So we're going to be looking at the outliers to see which ones should match up. So first of all, we want to find out where our outliers should be. Now we've got some data points we can see here. It looks like 34 and 37 there, and another one up here at 46. So we want to find our upper and lower fences. To do that, of course, we need to find our interquartile range, which in this scenario here, because we've got Q3 minus Q1, so that's of course going to be equal to Q3 we have at 20 there, just like looking at this box plot here, and Q1 is going to be 10, meaning we have an interquartile range of 10. Now when we want to find our upper fence, that's going to be Q3 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. So 20 plus 1.5 times 10. If you plug this into your calculator, you'll find that it gives you 35. If you can do 1.5 times 10 in your head and add it to 20, well done. But that is going to give you a value for 35 for your upper fence, which means that immediately we're no longer looking at options D or E, and B and A are also pretty much write-offs. So we can already start assuming that our answer is C, but let's also calculate the lower fence just to be doubly sure. So the only thing that's different between the upper fence and the lower fence so let's get the lower fence. Lower fence, Q1 minus 1.5 times the interquartile range. So Q1 is 10 minus 1.5 times 10. So it's going to be 10 take away 15, which of course is -5, which doesn't fall on our line there. So judging by what we saw before is that our outliers should only be above 35, which means that this value at 37 should be an outlier and that value at 46 should be an outlier. C is going to be our final answer. Guys, if you have any questions about that, drop them in the comments below or shoot us a message at our Facebook page, Tutoring, and someone will be sure to help you out.